In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use sweep tool in Onshape CAD. Now it's going to look something like this. Basically, a sweep tool is an advanced function, and what it actually does is it will go ahead and create a three-dimensional model between two sketches. So for example, I have this two circles right here, which is going to be placed on the front plane and on the top plane. And what you want to do is to go ahead and basically just place a line between these two. To do that, I'm going to use the right hand side right here. I'll create a new sketch, and from here I'm going to call this path. This is going to be the pathway between those two sketches or those two circles. And as you can see, I have my 2 points right here, which is going to be this two circles. Once again, I'm going to navigate through the right section. I'm going to click on my path, and then I'm going to place a 3-point arc. I'll place it on the center part of this circles right here, and I'll place it like this. Click on the check button, and basically from there, what you can do is to go ahead and click on the sweep button. You want to select your first sketch, which is going to be our first circle. Choose your endpoint, and from there you then want to choose your path by clicking on the path option. In our case, it's going to be this one. And basically right after that, we have successfully used the sweep tool in Onshape CAD. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.